and then draw the right knee into your chest. Okay, this exercise could be lower the knee closer to the floor, and then exhale, lift it up. And lower, and lift. Good, step the foot forward. Okay, for that work, I often see teachers will teach it without much priming for the hip. So what I recommend, go ahead, come onto your back. You could do a lunge like that, what he was doing just now, as a way to stretch the hip, or even just exactly laying down, especially if you're working with a group that is more muscular. That mobility is something that they'll want to warm into before doing this, because it's just going to make it harder for that knee to get close to the chest. Another way to do the elevator work is with a hip opening. So this might be a prep for a transition into Ekapada Kundinyasana 2 or something like that. Go ahead and come back into that plank pose or down dog, either. And then we're going to do the left leg. So draw the left knee to the tricep and then lower to the wrist and lift it up and lower. You get the idea, and lift. Good. Now step the foot outside the hand. This is an excellent prep for that. So we'll want to give the students either a pose like this, or he can lower toward his elbows. So that really helps open up the hip. Even a happy baby pose before this will be helpful in making it more easy, so that any tightness isn't inhibiting the body from being able to be as strong as it could be. All right? It's not rocket science. We can figure these things out simply by looking at the shapes of the poses. The other way we can do the plank elevators is with the twist. So come back into the plank, and you can draw the right knee toward the left tricep. Good, and then lower toward the left wrist, and lift. Keep going. You guys get the idea. Okay, step the foot forward. Okay, for that one, we'll obviously want to do some twisting. So from here, what you can do is step the left knee in behind the right ankle and sit back. Twist the left arm across the body. Lift the chest up. So before you would do that, you would want to do something like this, because that will also make taking the leg across the body a bit easier. And we want to do our best when we're doing that to keep the shoulders stable and have the movement mostly come from the hips, from the waist, really. If the shoulders and the leg move, then we're not twisting as much. We want to keep the shoulders solid as the leg comes across the body. Then, I had some really awesome teachers that taught me this one. Go ahead, come back into plank pose. There's this thing called the box. Oh, when the teacher said box, there was just this terror and excitement that would go through us. Let's do the left leg. Left thigh to tricep, across to the other tricep, toward the other wrist, up, across, lower, across, and down dog. So many options with those plank knee to chest elevators. Have fun with it.